Hi guys, yeah. Hello, 35 people. Hi there. Josh is a bit preoccupied now. Oh, hi.
Taking delivery of the beast, guys.
I didn't show them the car yet. We have Farhan here.
Farhan is here today.
Farhan
Guys, give
City.
Farhan a follow. Give him a follow. Mad skills, photography skills, video skills. Please give him a follow.
We're at 88. We're the Nissan Lambo. Guys, it's gonna soon be revealed. Come here, Joe. Come say hi. Josh Naido is the best motivation.
Taking delivery of the beast.
So guys, he's so excited. Is that the car? No, I haven't shown the car yet. We're at the dealership. We're shooting promo videos. It's a very exciting day for Josh. I will give him all your well wishes. I will show everything to you all now. Hi. 111 people. For the people that didn't see, this is Farhan. Farhan, give a shout out. There's 102 people. We'll drop his handle for all your photography needs. He's currently doing our promo. Can't wait to see it. Soon, guys. Soon. McLaren 720. No.
They're doing all this, huh?
What dealership? Congratulations, guys. God is good. Yes, he is. Soon, guys. Soon. Joe, come here. I didn't tell. They're still guessing. Comes a lot of here.
You ready? Lovely.
Say hi.
So, anything you want me to do in specific or?
No, guys, it's not a Lambo. I'll eliminate that one. Is this car Ferrari? It's not a Ferrari.
That's fine. Huh? I can take my mask off because I'm gonna walk there. So I'll just speak to him and then we can be good to go.
Good.
No, I'm happy. No. You're walking with
Guys, Josh is on the 845.
How's it, guys? How's it?
Is it a Porsche? No, it's not a Porsche. It isn't a Porsche. Not yet. Aston Martin. I wanted that. It's not an Aston Martin or a 911. Bonjour. Soon, guys. Give me 1 second.
Looks lovely, eh? Beautiful. Come get the inside. Wanna come? Let's start it off. Oh yeah.
Are you ready, guys? For everybody who gets M4, well done. Anyway, guys, that whoever guessed M4 on point. It came all the way from Joburg, Automania Sports. We will tag them in all the required places. Check them out, guys. I will send all the congratulations to Joash. Thank you so much for all the well wishes. Everybody loves it.
Okay, check the back, check the diffuser.
Take the car out of it.
So, guys.
Other, I just took delivery. After taking delivery, I sent you that form on WhatsApp as well.
So, things are good, guys. I'm gonna end this live now. Feel free to DM Joash and congratulate him. I will pass through all of the congratulations. We will probably catch you live again with him. And yeah, have a good day, guys. We will see you soon.
Should we take some pictures?
We need to rub first.
Tell me where you stand. Okay.
Lindo, I'm
Yeah,
sure
no, 100%.
you can message him soon. It's the mileage. People are going insane here.
Take a picture of the jacket.
I'm still alive. Back, guys. Hi, guys. Anyway, thanks for being here for Joe's car review. We will catch you guys later. Have a good day. We'll definitely catch you live later again. Maybe after 3:30. Let's see, guys. Stay blessed.
Just picked up the new beast, picking up the new beast. Powerful, powerful, powerful. Yes.
Anyone else?
What a car. BMW M4.